Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Simadu. So guys, today we will learn in this video something new. Guys, if someone thanks you, then you don't say all the time you're welcome. You can say something different, depend on situation and person. Okay, so let me know that what we can say something different. So no worries, no worries, and next is no problem, no problem, and next is anytime, anytime, and next my pleasure, my pleasure, and next is it was nothing, it was nothing. Next, don't mention it, don't mention it, and next is it's my pleasure, it's my pleasure, and next it's my honor, it's my honor. So guys, I think you might have liked my video. So if you like my video, then like, subscribe, and see us in the next video. Bye bye, take care.